The topic of today's video is how to connect Discord to N8N. So the first thing that we want to do is go to the top right hand side of the screen and click on Create Workflow. Then we want to click on Add First Step. We can set up a trigger, or we can set Discord as the trigger by typing in Discord in search and click on it once you find it. Now we'll set up our trigger, so let's just use a webhook call. And you can set up your webhook things here. However, this is not the main connection point. So we can close this and just click on Discord over here. And here where it says select credential. And on top of that is connection type. So you can choose if you're going to connect a bot. So if we are going to connect a bot here, we'll put in our bot token over here. And then we can hit save. We can leave the resource on channel for now. That's not relevant to linking. What is relevant is by putting in your channel name, and then here where it says server, you can either leave it on from list and find your credential, or you can change from list to by URL and then just paste your Discord URL in there. And when you're done, your Discord icon will be green once it's connected. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.